amazing. Today I'm going to show you how I make my dishwasher tablets from home and including what I use, what ingredients I use. I've just actually had a delivery from Amazon which includes 2 of my ingredients because I already had the other one. So let's get this open. This includes a bag of citric acid, a large bag of baking soda, hello. Thank you. And then my other ingredient is a washing up liquid. So this is the one I use. It's a minimal washing up liquid, so make sure you can see it. I'll obviously put all these links down below. Whoops. Which one's this? The citric acid. Okay, so what you're going to need, you need your 3 ingredients. You're going to need some ice trays. I've got silicone ice trays. I also got off Amazon. A bowl for mixing everything in. A cup for measuring, and I have a spoon. This is my silicone spoon that I've got. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure up these 3 ingredients, chuck them in, give it a stir, and then start adding it to our ice cube trays. Okay, so we're going to start with 1 cup of baking soda. A 1/4 cup of citric acid. And then 1 tablespoon of the minimal washing up liquid. So these are the refill bottles. You can actually buy smaller bottles. But I buy these big ones just because I use it all the time and I can top up my current bottles with it. And give it a good stir. It's going really fluffy. Okay, now that it's all stirred in, what I want you to do is to place it into these trays and then put them aside for 1 or 2 hours, and then they should be solid, ready to use, and then you put them into a sealable tub. Now, if you don't actually want to make them yourself, I do use small from time to time. They're really good as well. Convenient, they just get posted to your door. So this is what it looks like now that it's quite solid. Let's see if they can all come out like this. don't know how well this is going to go doing it with one hand. Oh, going well. Some of them are slightly squishy, so maybe just leave them a bit longer. Happy days. There you go. Ready for the dishwasher. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and visit mummyseason.com for more recipes and ideas like this to get you through the day. See you in the next one.